Alright, y'all. It is 12 o'clock a.m. No snow yet. A few flurries blowing around, but they're so fine that the camera's not even picking them up. Alright, guys. 1 a.m. 1 a.m. same as 12 a.m. Alright, y'all. It is Sunday, January 16th, 2:30 a.m. Current conditions are 28 degrees. And this is the most snow we have seen. And you can tell it's not a great deal of snow, but this is the heaviest that it has been all night. So I guess we can officially say snow started 2:30 a.m. Sunday morning, January 16th. Guys, and it's picking up even more that I'm standing out here. It is starting to fall harder, steadier. Flakes are still not big, but guys, listen how quiet it is. I mean, we don't live in a loud neighborhood anyways. We're kind of off the beaten path up on top of a mountain. But it is eerie quiet down the holler. All right, y'all. It is Sunday, January 16th, 3 a.m. Here's what we got. Still not no real big flakes, but the snow has picked up pretty steady. The ground's starting to get white. 3 a.m. game changer. What is up, guys? It is 7 a.m. Sunday morning, January 16th. And a huge difference from what it was the last time we were out here. I mean, to the footprints there in the snow. And guys, it is pouring now. Yes, it is absolutely coming down pretty good now. And I showed you the table last time we was out here. That was about a little over an hour ago. Maybe closer to 2 hours ago, but 7 a.m. Avery County, North Carolina. Sunday, January 16th. All right, guys, we're back out here. It is now 8:30. Last time we was out was 7. And it's still pouring snow. Oh, it's over my Crocs. But here's the table. And here's how much snow we got. Four and a half inches, guys. Yep, 4.5. It's still coming down. Pretty big flakes too. The wind's picking up. But this right here's the snowflakes I expected when it first started. I have seen bigger snowflakes, but this is as big as they've been during this storm. It's 9:30. Power's flickering on and off. It hasn't went off yet, but well, it's a good thing we got the tractor ready yesterday. And he's scraping. There's about 5, well, not about, there's a little more than 5 inches of snow on the ground. The thing that's not good now is the wind's starting to pick up some. We could do without the wind. That'll bring power lines, tree limbs, trees down for sure. It's pretty wet snow. I mean, it packs good, but that's the only thing, you know. It's packing good on tree limbs. He sure likes to get out and play in the snow. But I sure am glad he does. Alright, y'all. It is 2:30 p.m. 7 inches of snow. And it's still snowing. Alright, y'all. We are in the field above my parents' house. And as you can tell and hear, listen. There's some sleet in with the snow that's falling right now. This is my boy's sleigh ride. I wonder what that's about. Alright. There's the He-Man Woman Haters Club. For anybody that ever watched Little Rascals. That's their clubhouse. I see Miss Livy. Livy Lou! What done, Livy? What you done, girl?
What are you doing? They're playing in the snow.
You playing in snow?